What's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Play Store is not working in your device Oppo A57e. So if you're facing Play Store problem in your device, you can fix them by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix Play Store problem in your device Oppo A57e.